Your body has been carrying betrayal trauma nonstop. The racing thoughts, the tension in your chest, the sleepless nights, all of it builds up. When you've been living in survival mode, stress hormones like cortisol flood your system, keeping you on high alert. Your body has been through enough. It's time to give it a reset. Self-care after betrayal isn't about luxury or pampering, it's about survival. It's about reminding your nervous system that you deserve safety, rest, and care. When you intentionally reset your body and mind, you give yourself the energy you need to continue healing. So here's your challenge for today. Choose one intentional act of self-care, just one. It doesn't need to be big, it just needs to be deliberate. Examples of self-care resets. 1. Take a walk in nature and let your body breathe fresh air. 2. Run a warm bath, light a candle, and allow yourself to be still. 3. Take a digital detox. Even just a few hours away from your phone or social media can give your mind space to breathe. 4. Set an early bedtime and give yourself the gift of real rest. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it isn't indulgent, it's survival, it's telling your body and your soul, I matter, my healing matters. So today, reset, pick one act of care and give yourself permission to pause. Next week, in days 15 through 21, we'll shift into the next stage of your journey, rebuilding yourself after betrayal.